Hi, my name is David Logan, IT Geek, explaining the technology for the home owner, taking the jargon out of the technology. I like helping people. With me today, co-host is Willie Nicol. Over to you, Willie.
Thank you, David. Yes, it's Willie Nicol. I'm a change and personal development life coach based in Troon, South Ayrshire, Scotland, UK. And the reason for me being here is I'm also a Techno Dinosaur. So I'm delighted that I'm able to ask David the hard techie questions.
Great. For your information, I come from Annan, South Scotland, UK. So we're both doing well, Willie. Is it sunshine with you today?
Yes, the sun is shining. I'm looking out my front window. I'm not actually in front of the San Francisco Bridge or whatever the hell it is.
Right, so let's get this going. We want to keep this short this week. For week 8, your question, please.
Yes, David, I'm in the process of recording some videos for my coaching business, and I wanted to know the best way of putting subtitles in the videos and also how to edit them properly.
Okay, so the first things first, you do videos. We want to look professional. So the first thing is you've got there already, I see, your virtual background, where I don't. So that's fantastic. How you do that is a question I'll need to put to you someday. Software, one assumes you're talking about software. There's different ways of doing this. It's like, how do you skin an apple or a pear? I don't know what the proper word is, phrase is. What we use is, you need to record your video. You can use the camera app on Windows 10, or you can use other software provided out with Microsoft Windows 10. Software you can use is Camtasia, so that's C for Charlie, A for Alpha, M for Mike, T for Tango, A for Alpha, S for Sierra, I for India, A for Alpha. Or alternative software you can use is software called Wondershare Filmora. So that's F for Foxtrot, I for India, L for Lima, M for Mike, O for Amiga, R for Romeo, A for Alpha. Before we get there though, Willie, do you have an iPhone?
Yes, David, I do indeed.
Okay, I don't know what the app is. I do believe if you record on your iPhone, there's an app that can do the subtitles for you automatically.
Yes, I'm aware of that. It's called I forget the thing you're talking about, the Clips, CLIPS, Clips app, which I've tried in the past, where the app automatically superimposes what you're saying onto your video as you're saying it. However, I found that I had to use my best BBC voice because the app does not understand Scottish.
Does it only do American?
Hell, I know.
Sorry, I shouldn't say that. Sorry. Okay. So take that apart. You've tried that, and it's failed miserably. What I use for our videos is a program on the Windows system called Amber Script. So what we do here is we put our audio file, the speaking part, upload it into Amber Script. It then tries to detect it. I can only assume it would have the same probability as your iPhone. There's a lot of editing being done to edit that. However, you can pay more to get it predicting a bit better. What I found with a lot of these programs is you need to train them, speak chapters into the system so it recognizes your voice, and then you can dictate pretty well. So that program is called Amber Script.
Okay.
AMBERSCRIPT.
Yep. I'll give that a look, thanks.
That then creates, you can then export that into any format you want, Word file, Microsoft Word, or text. Then you can upload that into a video editing software, where you can
So
then,
what is the sorry, carry on.
which you can then combine that text with the video.
So what video editing software do I need?
So that would be one of two, what I mentioned before, Camtasia
Ah, right, okay, okay.
or Wondershare Filmora.
Right, got it.
And they're not very expensive, but it depends how you value your pound. Now, being Scottish, we don't like giving away money, do we?
Quite so.
Does that answer your question?
Yes, that's very kind of you. So I've got a subtitles, Amber Script, film editing, Camtasia or Filmora. Is that correct?
That's Wondershare Filmora.
Right, okay.
What
So
we can do for the feed for the viewer and yourself, Willie, we can put on when we upload this video, is put in the comments the websites for reference.
I think that would be very helpful, just in case my old memory doesn't quite retain that information.
Yeah. It's slow, it's laborious, but I believe you pay for what you get.
Okay.
If you want it more accurate, you pay that higher price. If you don't want it so accurate, you pay for the lower price. But then you spend time going through it. Good thing for you, Willie. Can you check on your iPhone app if it's a paid version, and if you can do the same? If you pay that bit more, you can dictate to it, and maybe it'll be a bit more accurate.
Right, that's a good idea. I'll do that.
And come back to us next week.
The version I did was free, right? And I'm being overly critical. It took me, the last time I used it, it took me 5 or 6 goes, and I did find myself lapsing into the best BBC voice, which generated a bit of humour, shall we say.
Okay. Is that good?
That's good. I think that's covered it. David, thank you very much.
Great. So end here. That's week 8. Believe it or not. To the viewer, if you've got any more questions, as I say, for the 2 video editing programs we talk about here, they'll be in the comments down below us. For YouTube, please, on behalf of Willie and myself, subscribe. We want folks to subscribe. Once again, Willie is laughing. I don't know why. Over to you, Willie.
No, I absolutely agree. It's just the way you describe it. I would implore you all, yes, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's a good thing.
Great. So it's David Logan, IT Geek. Computer problems for our sake. Goodbye, everybody.
Yes, and it's goodbye from me, Willie Nicol, the life coach and Techno Dinosaur.